talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
So guys, I'm gonna start using this Carly Bible Deluxe Edition by BH Cosmetics palette. And the first eyeshadow that I'm taking is this nude brown color. They do not come with names, so I guess I'm gonna have to describe it. And I'm using it as a transition color. Now I'm taking this darker brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply it into my crease. What I wanted is to get like a really dark brown shade, like, yeah, I wanted like a really dark brown shade. Taking the Desert Oasis palette by BH Cosmetics as well, and the first eyeshadow that I will take is called Dune, and I'm gonna apply it on top of the eyeshadow that I applied earlier. At one point I wasn't really convinced of what I was doing, and I wanted to stop, but then I was like, you know what, let me get to the end, I might end up liking it. I'm just starting, let me don't stress. Let's see what's gonna happen. And I didn't show it, but I took another eyeshadow from the same palette called Nindscape and I applied it into my crease. Okay, now I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer, and I don't really apply it all over my face. I apply it only on my nose because it's really thick and I don't know, it feels weird in my face. And the foundation I'm using is the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Chai. That's also African. That's actually something that we always say in Africa, is like an expression and whatever. The concealer I'm using right now is the one by Too Faced in the shade Chestnut. I really like this concealer, you guys. It's really good. It's full coverage, and yeah, I think after the LA Girl Pro Concealer, this is the second concealer that really makes me feel satisfied. So yeah, I really recommend it. To contour my face, guys, I'm using this cream contour palette by Black Radiance, and of course I'm using the contour shade. Guys, the setting powder that I'm using is the one by Black Radiance. I don't really show it anymore because I've been abusing it and the letters are all gone, so you can't really see what it says. But yeah, nothing special about it. I just wanted to try a different one. I was always using the one from Shasha Cosmetics, So yeah, I took this one. I saw it at Target and I like it, and yeah, it's pretty good. Now I'm doing my waterline, and I'm using a black pencil. It's one that I got from the beauty supply, nothing really special about it. And to do my wing line, I'm using line liner by Fenty Beauty. Is really good. Like, I do love it. Okay, since I wanted to get my eye really dark, I learned to do this. I learned this from Mac Daddy. Ooh, Daddy. So yeah, I don't know how you call this area of your eye. I'ma just say the inner side of my eye. So yeah, now I'm using the highlight contour pro palette by NYX to set up my contour. And I feel like I need to change this. Like, I've been using the same one for years. That's the bad thing about me, you guys. Like, when I start using one thing and I get comfortable, I would not think about trying different styles, and that get me stuck, and I don't really like it. So yeah, I definitely need to change it. Well, for some reason I started to like to apply blush, so I'm using this only one that I have, the e.l.f. palette, and I'm mixing these two shades that do not have names on it. So I wanted to do some cat eyes, and that's what I was going for. And all you have to do is to get a really sharp teeny eyeline in the inner corner of your eye. So now I'm applying my eyelashes, of course, off camera, and I'm using these ones. They came with a hair that I bought at AliExpress. And then I go back to my Desert Oasis palette, and I'm taking this blush highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's amazing. It's popping. It's so funny that the first time I saw it, I didn't want to try because I was like, this is probably too much. But once I try it, girl, I'm not using nothing else. Now going to my lips, I start as always drawing them, and I'm using a regular dark brown lip pencil. They don't really come with names, so I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure you can use any dark brown pencil that you have. And I'm using this lipstick from NYX. It's a liquid brown lipstick, and it has no a specific name on it, like something that I can tell you, and then you know, it'll be easier for you to find it. But yeah, sorry you guys, it just say like lip cream lipstick and stuff. Yeah, so this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really ended up liking this look so much. And yeah, this is it for my face. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me now show you the outfit. I hope y'all like it, and I'll see you in the next one.